too close, she's very aware of the camera. And she'll try to grab the string.
La. Hey, you. Nummy. Can you say happy birthday, Daddy?
Should we sing happy birthday to Daddy?
Happy birthday, Papa Bear.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
You're adorable. Nom. You do such a good job at eating for Mama Bear. No. Swallow the food.
She is. Just a little bit's caught out in front.
Anna, that was disgusting. Sounds like somebody has a dirty diaper.